I'm going to show you a few quick fixes that usually bring these remotes back to life. Let's jump straight into it. Before we dive in, keep in mind, if none of the buttons work, you may just need to pair the remote, but if some buttons work or act glitchy, these steps usually fix it. Let's jump into step 1. Power cycle the TV. First thing, make sure your TV is actually on. Now go to wherever the TV is plugged in and unplug it. Wait a solid 30 seconds, don't rush this part. Then plug it back in, power it up, and check the remote again. If it's still acting up, let's move to the next step. Step 2. Reset the remote and loosen the buttons. Grab your remote and pop the batteries out, both of them. Leave them out for a moment. Now, flip the remote over and press and hold the power button for 20 seconds. Don't let go early. Count it out if you have to. Once those 20 seconds are up, start pressing every button on the remote. Literally, every button. Go button by button. Power, home, arrows. Okay, the channel shortcuts. Even the volume and mute rockers on the side. Spam them like crazy. Why? Because dust, lotion, crumbs, sweat, anything sticky, can make a single button jam. And even one stuck button can cause other buttons to misfire or stop responding. Give the remote a couple light taps in your hand to shake things loose, then put the batteries back in. Don't worry about the back cover yet, just test it, turn the TV on and see if the remote is behaving. If it's still glitching, repeat the same process. Take the batteries out, hold power for 20 seconds, spam the buttons, tap it, test again. Sometimes it works on the first try, sometimes on the 5th. I've seen people get it working on try number 8, so don't give up too quickly. If you've tried the first step several times and the remote is still stubborn, do this. Repeat the same button reset steps, but this time, instead of using the old batteries, put in a fresh pair. Sometimes the problem is literally weak or uneven battery output. Pop the new batteries in, fire up the TV, and check the remote again. Good luck, and I hope your remote comes back to life.